Okay, year 10, here we go, ionic bonding with using sodium and chlorine as the example. So over here I've drawn out the electron structure of sodium. We can see it is 281 with the red tiddlywinks representing the electrons. And next to sodium we've got chlorine, and the electron structure of chlorine is 287. And again I've got tiddlywinks representing the electrons, but this time they're green ones. So when sodium and chlorine react together, what happens is they're both looking to have full outer shells of electrons. And the easiest way for these two atoms to achieve that is sodium will form an ion by giving up this outer electron to the chlorine. Now this changes the electron structure of both atoms. Sodium, the electron structure is now 2,8, and because it's got 11 protons and only 10 electrons, it will have an overall charge of 1 positive. And rather than an atom, we now call it an ion, a positive ion. Chlorine, on the other hand, has now got an electron structure of 288. And because it has gained an electron, it's gained a negative charge, it has an overall charge of 1 negative. And it too has become an ion because it's got a charge, and it is a negative ion. And finally, because opposite charges attract, we've now got an ionic bond between these two ions. The positive sodium will attract the negative chlorine and vice versa. And of course, they've both got full outer shells. Alright, it's Mr. Rolf signing off.